Okay, now we are going to talk about average and worst case time complexity for the insertion sort when we are considering the number of assignments. So here we have this assignment here, okay, and we have another assignment here. And also we are considering this one assignment here that is related to array. Okay, we are not considering j equal to n minus 1, so we're only considering those assignments that are related to the array that we have here. So similar to what we did for calculating the number of comparisons for the worst case and average case, okay, we're going to do the same thing. So here, let's say that the worst case is that we are going to, the s of j, okay, for any number of j that we have, is going to be greater than x, that is s allocation I. So that if this is the case, okay, so we'll have a sigma to similar to what we had for the number of comparisons. So that's going to be I goes from I equal to 2 to n, okay. So because I start from 2 and goes to n, and again we are starting with I equal to 2, okay, and the first index of the array is equal to 1, not 0, okay, because the pseudocode is not the actual code here. That we are not using any programming languages here. So from I goes to n, and then as we said, j started with I minus 1, okay, and goes up to 0. So then the number of like the worst case, as we said, is going to be that all sj is going to be greater than equal to x. So it's going to be the number equal to the number j that's going to be I minus 1. So that's for this one. And we have for every I also we have this assignment here and also this assignment here. So we have for every I we have two also assignment. So an I goes from 2 to n. So the number of items that we have here is gonna be with this sigma plus 2 i's n minus 1. Okay. So that's gonna be the number of items that like number of assignments from I equal to 2 to I equal to less than equal to n, and for these two together. So if we sum these numbers together, okay, then it's gonna be n minus n plus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by n minus 1. Okay, so that is almost equal to, sorry about that, that is almost equal to, okay, so that's the n divided n squared divided by 2. So that's gonna be the worst case, okay, for worst case time complexity for number of assignments of records when we are doing using the insertion sort. Similar to that, okay, we can similar to what we did for finding the average case for the time complexity of the number of comparison, okay, that we used like the same probability distribution, and we like said that what's going to be the like a number of on that case we had the number of comparison if like the si at location I or x is less than or equal to less than or greater than the value of at the location j. So and then we did the average, so we can do the same thing. And we can conclude that also the average case, okay, for the number of assignment will be equal to, almost will be equal to n squared divided by 4. Okay, so that's the worst case and average case analysis for insertion sort in case of the number of assignments.